Have you ever tried to slice bread but your knife just wasn't sharp enough? Is that stubborn car just not starting? Is that legendary sword just not as legendary as it used to be? Are those old bones just not picking up the pace? Well, wipe that despair off of your face, 'cause we have the solution to all of your problems. Hi, Willie J's here for the brand new shtick. The latest invention in do everything but nothing technology. What does it do? Everything but nothing. Use it for drum practice. Hone your skills, or just show off. Practice fencing. Take a nice stroll in the woods. Use it for support. Finally start that stubborn car. Open the door to wow your colleagues. Use Lumos to turn on the light. Defend yourself against oncoming attackers. Use it to finally slice that delicious bread. The secret is in the natural technology, made from the finest magic oak, fresh from Sweden.
Well, I just can't imagine my life without the stick. It's been incredible. I use it every day. There's a reason why Gandalf had a stick, why Moses had a stick. I'm sure Jesus even had a stick. It's just a really useful tool. It's magical. I've used it on my way to work. I've used it when I got to school. I've used it in the park. I've used it hiking. It's so versatile. You can use it for everything. I carry it with me wherever I go. I just love the stick.
I use the stick for everything in my life. I mean, I use it for food. I use it for nut murder. I use it for everything else. It's just a great product.
All this great value for just $19.99. But wait, call right now and I'll double the offer. That's right, 2 sticks for the price of 1, but you gotta call now. Call 1-800-668-7325. That's 1-800-668-7325.